All right, well, it's my time on the bench with my Keurig. This thing broke. This is the K2, I think K250 or K200. One of the first ones that came out. It was like $200. My father gave this to me. You want to talk about a not right to repair on these? Yeah, you can't even find repair parts. That's even worse than Apple's. But let's get into this Keurig real quick. Hey guys, what's going on? Now I'm not going to reinvent any awesome Keurig repair videos like Mr. Carlson did. That man is the king of these. Everyone seems to end up having a Keurig on their bench eventually if you drink coffee. So this one is mine and it is broken. And I've had to make coffee the old-fashioned way, just using a colander, some paper towels, and letting it drip through. I miss this thing. But one of the interesting things that you can find out is that this one's the K200, I think is what this is. But they're not repairable. I was like, man, I'll just go and, take this thing apart, which I did, and, and then just go online and find Keurig replacement parts. I mean, they sold so many of these, why not? I think up to $200 a pop for some of these. And this was way back when this first came out, the 2.0 series with the K-Craft and all that stuff. But let's not dilly-dally. This one is mine, and I am cranky. I just want to pop it in, press the button, and go. So I don't have to sit there and drizzle water over some coffee grounds. I know it's not really a problem, but it is my problem. I don't want to be cranky. So anyway, let's spin this around. Mine was doing what everyone always ends up having happen, is it drips water all over the place when you put a cup in. And sometimes it was, right inside here, you have these little things that get clogged up, but that's not what happened in this one. So Mr. Carlson has an awesome video. Yeah, there's a CPU board, vacuum hoses, all kind of stuff. Mine ended up not being any of that stuff, but yeah, you can see it right there. That key connector right there, that whole thing has gone loose. Now I've seen some people take automotive tea, put this all back together, because you can't find the parts. Like I said, it's crazy. I gotta descale this. Well, if I can get this to work. Except if you go online, you can find the parts. That's what I did. Used parts from someone else's machine. I only need this tea. I don't need these rubber hoses. My hoses are in good shape. That's what the doctor said. So anyway, yeah, look at all the technology in this. We're not gonna get into it, but yeah, there is a whole bunch down there, and Mr. Carlson actually had to redo a board to make his Keurig work. It's unfortunate they don't sell replacement parts. I mean, just simple things like this that go bad, and this really just disintegrated. But I'm gonna take that junk off, put this new one in. Looks really good shape. That's what I need. I need that. So I'm going to go ahead and put all this in with the same hoses I got, and do some vinegar wash. Hopefully that works. Not really a tech video, but man, there is some tech in there. If you have a Keurig, don't throw it out. Take it apart. Take all this stuff, because you can sell it on eBay. Everything, because they don't sell replacement parts. You want to talk about right to repair with Apple. This is something even more important. It's coffee. Man, it took me a little bit to pull all that out. And you can see that this thing is just turned into dust and fiber. I don't even know what's that made of. It doesn't look healthy to me. But this one looks a lot in better shape. Now, my luck, one of the other things will go bad in this, the pump and everything else, but look at all that junk everywhere. That's this. Oh, man. So that's slowly breaking down. If your Keurig breaks and you don't know about it, it's slowly doing all that. Having delicious coffee. with a little bit extra. So let's go ahead and get this in. Should be pretty simple. We'll get all the way all through here. We'll do some vinegar wash on this. We'll use some white vinegar. Put it in there full strength first, then start slowing it down. Put a little dilution to it and pump this thing just completely out. I'm disgusted. All right. Well, that's a simple little quick and easy snap-in piece to repair. If they sold them, that would make it easier for everybody else to have them go buy another piece and throw this all in the trash. So, look at that. It's just like playing around with old automotive vacuum hoses back in the day, carburetors. Oh man, do I miss seeing that stuff sometimes. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and get this all put together, run it through with some white vinegar, descale all this anyway, bring this up to cleanliness to my ability so I'm not freaking out drinking every cup of coffee. And I think we'll call this almost repaired. Okay, it's a lovely 5:30 in the morning. Time to do a little hope that this is going to work. Always do a nice strong one. That sounds better already. Come on, no leaks, no leaks. That's what we want. No whammies and no leaks. Come on. Yeah, that's a heavy stream, so that's good. All right. No leak. No leak. Delicious coffee. We're going to go ahead and consider this repaired. Now I can get this up on the channel. I can get back to doing that Ranger AR 3500 battery backup. Should get that up earlier, or later today rather. But I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this delicious cup of coffee with no leaks. And consider this fixed. So yeah, right to repair on these, man. They can't find where they don't even sell the replacement part. But look on eBay for some used ones, and you can get a nice, delicious cup of coffee again as well. All right, 73. See you in the next one.